The buzz around the 2025 KTM 390 Adventure R is growing, especially with rumors of its unveiling at the upcoming EICMA event. However, KTM has taken a different route this time, choosing to showcase the bike at the KTM Adventure Rally in South Dakota, USA. The 2025 model promises a fresh design, a new engine and chassis that is expected to be shared with the 390 Duke. KTM plans to offer multiple variants of the 390 Adventure, allowing riders to choose based on their preferences and budget. The powertrain will feature a 399cc single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine, similar to the one found in the 390 Duke, which currently produces 46 PS at 8,500 RPM and 39.5 Nm of torque at 6,500 RPM. However, for the Adventure R, the engine and gear ratios will likely be optimized for adventure riding, enhancing its off-road capabilities. Unlike the current 390 Adventure, which leans more towards being a tarmac-biased tourer, the new model aligns closely with the larger bikes that bear the Adventure R designation. It features long travel suspension, likely with compression and rebound adjustment at the front, and rebound and preload adjustment at the rear. Notably, the new bike boasts a 21 and 18-inch wire spoke rim setup instead of the 19 and 17-inch wheel pair found on the current model. Interestingly, KTM has opted for an axial brake caliper at the front, enhancing its off-road capabilities. In terms of technology and features, the 2025 390 Adventure R is set to incorporate many elements from the Duke. This includes all-LED lighting, a new TFT display with Bluetooth connectivity, dual-channel and switchable ABS, traction control, cornering ABS, various riding modes, quick shifter, fully adjustable suspension, and an updated braking system. A particularly exciting addition is the cruise control feature, as revealed by images of the updated switchgear. The left-hand controls will include a start and stop switch for cruise control and a plus and reset button for speed adjustments, making it a great option for long-distance journeys. With these updates, the 2025 KTM 390 Adventure R is shaping up to be a standout option for adventure enthusiasts looking for versatility and performance.